pin there. All right. Okay guys, I'm on my GoPro because my battery on my camera died. And then I got a system error because my SIM card got full. So we pulled the axle out of the front of the Jeep. And we're just about to start removing the universal joint. He took the clips out. This is what the clip looks like right there that he took out. And you just use a screwdriver and a hammer to tap it out. This side here. And you'll see it pop out. We don't have a vise to put this in, so we're compromising on this nice piece of wood. I guess they've been in there for so long, all the dirt and everything got in there.
Plus I'm not really getting a good angle.
Yeah.
It's shorter. I don't know how it's the same length as the other one. I don't know how I think the other one out easier.
Probably because the other one wasn't as dirty as this one is. There's the pin there. And I do the same thing to the other side. There you go.
Yeah, but I'll wind up snapping right back on me.
There, I think it's starting. There it is. There we go. Gotta turn this. There it is. Finally got it out. There. Alright guys, got those four taken out finally. Okay, now shut this flashlight off. So now I gotta hold it while he hammers that out.
I need my sockets.
Where's your socket?
Oh, over there, in your way. This needs to be raised up in the back too.
I think that's what this other piece of wood was for.
Gotta be a little higher.
There.
Took care of that one.
Cap came off. That's what it looks like inside, guys. Get all the little pins. And you gotta make sure all those pins go all the way around the cap without it falling in like that. Now it's a smaller one that you use. One of these, right? Here, babe.
I did. It wasn't that one, it was that one there.
We just use sockets because we don't have any of the other tools, so we're compromising.
Here's your things are here from Amazon.
Oh, nice. Here's my Amazon driver delivering my package. Yeah. Amazon Prime. Yeah. We've been waiting for you. Huh? We're waiting for you.
All right,
awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Yay, leave it up to Amazon, making a delivery for me. My arm came in, yay. This guy here came in. Wait, let me hold this. It's coming down. Wait a minute, can you lift this part up so I can straighten the wood? There we go, okay. Perfect, came in early. Yay. There we go. This universal joint's been in here since 2010. Then you take your vice grips and you take the cap off, and then it should pull right off. There we go. You gotta clean it up, make sure the holes are okay. That's what it looks like. And then we're going to take these two off here. I'm going to do the same thing and hammer it from up here. Take the cap off when it comes out. And you basically kind of do the same thing but backwards to install the universal joint. Oh, there we go.
Now you gotta.
There we go. Take the cap off.
Yeah,
And
so
now
I
we
could knock it all the way through. Now I gotta go all the way back
Now we
out.
gotta turn around, do the other side. Let's see what the inside of that cap looks like. This guy. This guy here is only missing one pin. See, all the pins are all standing up on this one except for that one. And there's grease in there.
Okay, I need you.
Okay, what do you need? The wood?
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Wait, lift it up a bit. More. There. It's on the wood now.
All right.
Okay. You gotta do what you gotta do to take this thing out.
Hang on.
There we go. Okay, and it popped out just like that. So now we just gotta clean up these holes here. Make sure there's no little burrs in there. Clean out a lot of the rust.
Put some grease on it.
Yep,
Where's the new bearing?
I have it right here. And this is the new one, AC Delco, that we're gonna be putting in. And it comes with, let's see if I can open the box. It comes with the new clamps too, or new clips I should say. There's the new clips. And there's also the little grease button right here, so you can grease them. So here it is here, the brand new one. And we bought the one that you grease right there instead of on the side there, so we have easier access to grease them up. when we need to grease them. So when you install them, you take the two caps off, you place it in there, try not to get the pins to fall, and then you hammer them in like you just did. And these pins are longer than the other pins.
Than the stock ones.
These ones are longer. This is it here.
The needle bearings are longer.
Yeah. So what he did was put a little bit of grease in there for the cap to slide in there easily. There it's in. He's just tapping the cap in. And you can turn it around, make sure the pins are okay.
Oh, that's why I stuck my finger in it.
So the pins don't move?
Yep.
Great. There. We got our wood set up here. Grease on there.
Okay. Remember, I was worried about it, whether I messed up the threads on that other one.
Yeah, as long as it goes on straight, we'll be okay. And we have it so the cap is resting right on there.
Okay, let's check the bearing needles. Nope, lost needles.
No lost needles?
It's not enough. It's not eating now. It's got a little more. It's got to go down in more. Oh, it's got to go on the very edge.
There we go. I think it went in a little.
I think it's in now.
Yeah, it looks
At least
good.
this one.
Yeah, it looks good. That one's sticking out. That one's sticking. Oh,
Hold on to it.
sticking out. And it moves okay?
Yep. Yep, it moves free anyway.
Okay, that's good. Alright, so now we gotta do the same thing on the other side. The new caps.
didn't want it to go in that far.
Oh my God. Nice. Oh my God. Near you made me think that you did get your finger jammed in there.
Okay, we tap just lightly.
And straight, not crooked.
Okay.
No, you weren't even supposed to put the cap on.
Yeah, you gotta put the cap on.
Oh my God.
Why wasn't I supposed to be put the cap on? Maybe I'm not. Well, why ain't it going in now? See, there it is.
Okay, guys, so we put the cap on one end and fed it through.
Now I'm gonna put the new cap on the other side.
Without dropping any of the pins. And then tap it in.
Hope that it goes in straight.
There we go. And now we gotta flip it around.
Let's flip it.
You
that
flip
way.
it whichever way you're gonna do it. And then you gotta hammer it in.
Put
That looks
one in.
good. Now we gotta hammer the other side in.
Okay, no needles came out on that side.
That's good. That's a good thing.
Do you think I should put a pin in on that side? I don't know if I can.
Well, we have to flip it around too.
Let me see if I can get a needle and a pin in there.
Here, I can't open the bag. I'll let you.
Get that up here.
Yeah, we got a piece of wood on the other end there.
See it knock the other one out.
Mm-hmm. Well, now you should be able to put the pin in this one.
I sure hope so.
Or the clip, I should say. I don't know why I keep calling it a pin. Should have enough room in there now. There we go. That was easy. Now we just got to hammer that other end in. Oh, that was a lot easier. That really went in good.
Just turn it that way just a little bit.
Towards me.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Right there.
Let's see if there's enough to put the pin on.
Let me get a flashlight. Okay.
Just on the wood on the bottom?
Yep.
Not really. It's got to go up like this. Didn't move.
The last one's going to be a pain in the butt. There you go. Now it's in there.
Still don't know if I can get the clip on though.
Yeah, you'll be able to.
See that play? That's not supposed to be there. There's no play. Shouldn't be any play, so it's got to go in more.
Okay guys, we're getting ready to put the axle back in. We've got the seal in there. It's right here. See it through the hole? All right, babe, let's do it. We got this. You got this.
Pump some grease. Needs to be pumped on this.
Where?